Hi guys, good evening. Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me? Yes, guys, can you hear me? Hello.
Share the data, getting some error or
Yeah.
here
Thank,
once you keep the all those details like
yeah, thank you. So we'll start session. So yesterday class, just C language history discussed. Okay. Now here writing C program. Writing C program. Writing C program. So how to write C program? Yes. Starting programming. So how to write C program? Okay. Yes, here top to bottom there is a order of writing program. Some order is there. Okay. Yes, you have to follow some order. You have to follow some order. So what's the order of writing C program? Yes, order of writing C program. Let us see about this. Order of writing C program. So what is the order of writing C program? Okay. Yes, order of writing C program. So what's the order? Order of writing C program. Let us see this. Okay. So what's the order? See, yesterday discussed about history. Yes, in the types of compilers we discussed. Yeah, how to install C software, I will explain. Just wait. I'll give the software, I'll share the software. You don't worry about it. You don't worry about it. Okay. Yes, you don't worry. I'll share the C software. I'll share now. After finishing class today, I'll share it. Today I'll share it. Okay. Yes, C software. This is your C software. Yes, this is C software. Turbo C software. Okay, I'll share the Turbo C software. Yeah, this is your software. Yes, today I'll share it. Today I'll share that software. Next document also I have to share. Software and documents and everything I have to share here. Yes, I'll share. Today I'll share it. After finishing class, I'll share it. Okay. Yes, C language. See, this is your C software. Next, your C language updated documents. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, previous class. All the introduction completed. Now starting C program today. So first let us see what are steps in writing C program. Okay. Yes, types of compilers. Yesterday we discussed. There are two types of compilers. Yes, Turbo C and ANSI C. Turbo C for learning purpose and C compile using for real-time applications. First we'll start with Turbo C. Next we'll move to ANSI C, Linux based compiler. We'll move to ANSI C. Okay, same that till now what I discussed, everything is a document here. Yes, all of the six. Everything is a document here. Okay. Yes. Yes. So let us start. So what is structure of C program? Structure. There is a structure. You have to follow some structure here. Structure. Yes, structure of C program. Structure of C program. So what's the structure in writing C program? Structure. Okay. Yes. After finishing this topic, I'll tell you. I'll explain how to install C software. So how to start working. Yes, I'll explain very clearly. Don't worry. Yes, I'll provide C software. I'll provide the C software. Next, documentation. C software and document both I will provide it. So this is our class documentation. So this is class documentation. Next, C software. This is your C software. This is I will provide both of this. I'll provide both of this. Okay. Yes, next I'll tell you how to set up and all this. So you don't worry. Right, okay? Yes. Now what is structure of C program? Yes. First, there is an order you have to follow. This order. This order you have to follow. So first one here, see order of C program. You see, till now whatever discussed, everything is a document here. So don't worry, guys. Here, yes, in document, all these notes is there. Just you can follow that note. You can follow it here. You can follow. Everything is there in document. Everything is in document. Yes, today topic is this structure of C program. Okay. Yes. What is structure here? So first, document watch. First one is document part. First one is document part. Okay, next one is yes, include files. Next one is include files. Include files, document parts. Yes, include files, document parts, include files. Next, define. Yes, define parts, document parts, include files, define parts. Yes, next global. Yes, global. Yes, global is global variables declaration, global variable global variables declaration. Okay, so document parts, include files, define parts, global variable declaration. Yes, after this is a wide main function, wide main. Yes, open bracket, close bracket, starting main function. Yes, next, local variables declaration. So local, yes, variables, local variables. Yes, local variables declaration, local variable declaration. Okay, yes, after this, yes, statements. Yes, see here, executable statements. So after variable declaration here, yes, next executable. Yes, executable. Yes, statement one. Yes, like the statements. Okay, yes, yes, statement one. Yes, next. Yes, next statement. Writing this one by one statements. Writing one by one. So next statement, next statement, next statement, next statement, like this. Statement one, statement two. Yes, like this. Statement one. Yes, statement two, statement three, statement four, statement five, statement six, like this. All the multiple statements like this. Okay. Yes. After this, next after that. Yes. Yes. Here next subprogram. Next this subprogram. Subprogram. Yes, starting subprogram. Yes, starting ending subprogram. Here also same subprogram and same local variables declaration and statements. All the statements. Yes, here also same local variables declaration, statement one, statement like this. Okay. Yes, I'll explain. I'm coming. Wait. Yes. So these things here. This is completely here. Okay. Yes, you don't worry. Step by step, I'll explain here. All the steps, everything I'll explain very clearly. Very clearly, I'll explain. So this is order of writing C program, the structure. C program structure is like this. C program structure, like a document parts, yes, include files, define parts, global variables, wide main, local variables declaration, executable statement, 1, 2, 3, like this, n number of statements. Okay. Yes, n number of statements. Some statement n. So up to n number of statements. Okay. Yes, statement n up to number of statements. Okay. Yes, next here also. Here also number of statements. Here also number of statements. Some number of statements. Okay. Yes. Up to number of statements. Okay. Yes. Let us see. Now one by one discuss. So what is document parts? What is include files? What is define parts? What is global variable declaration? What is void? What is main here? Next, what is local variable declaration? So what are these statements here? What are these statements? What is subprogram? Yes, all these steps we'll discuss. Okay, very clearly we'll discuss step by step. All of these things we'll discuss very clearly. Very clearly we'll discuss. Okay. Yes. So first let us start with document part. So what is document part here? What is document part? So what is document part? Document part. What is document part? See document part. Yes. Yes, it is a writing. It's a writing comments. It's writing comments. Just it's a writing comments. It's a writing. So what is document part? Yes, it's a writing comments. Writing comments. Writing comments. It's writing comments. Okay. Yes. It's writing comments. Document what? It's a writing comments in the program. Writing comments in the program. Okay. It's writing comments in the program. In the program. Just writing comments. It's writing comments. Just it's writing comments in the program. Okay. Yes. How to write the comments here? Comment means like a comment means like a description. A description. Suppose for example here in program. Suppose program some file included. What's the purpose of including file? Okay. Suppose some variable declared. What's the purpose of variable? Suppose void main. What's the purpose of main here? Suppose subprogram defined. What's the purpose? Writing the purpose. Right? Writing the description. 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 Writing description. Okay. Yes. So writing comments. Yes, comments you can write like this. Forward slash star. Okay. Forward slash right star. Right. Yes. Suppose for example, yes, this is yes this program. Okay. This program. Yes, this program. Yes, is to display. Yes, this program is to display hello world, something like this. Hello world. Okay, right? Yes, like this. Okay, this program is to display hello world. Writing comment is like this is a way of writing comments. Yes, comment is English, just writing your English. Writing English. This is not a C program. Your English. This is just English. It's not a C program. That is not a C program. That's not a C program. Okay. Yeah, this is single line commenting. This is single line. This is single line commenting. Single line. This is yes single line commenting. This is 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 single line commenting. Okay. Yes, this program is display hello words. Yes, it's a single line commenting. It's a single line commenting. This is single line commenting. This is single line commenting. Single line commenting. Okay, right? Yes, single line commenting. This is single line commenting. Single line commenting. Okay. Yes, single line commenting. This is next. Sometimes here multiple lines. Forward slash star. Forward slash star. See first line. Okay. Yes. Next line. 1 second. 1 second. Hello. Yeah, yeah, Girish. From tomorrow starting. Tomorrow 7 o'clock. 7 p.m. Yeah, 7 to 8:30 p.m. one session, 8:30 10 second session. Tomorrow 2 sessions, Sunday also 2 sessions, Monday onwards 9:30 session. Yeah, tomorrow Saturday taking 2 sessions. Hello. Yes. Yes, tomorrow Saturday taking 2 sessions. Yeah. 1 second. Yeah, sorry guys, I received some important phone call. Yes, here multiple lines. See, this is multiple lines. So whatever comment you want, you can write multiple lines like this. Yes, like this, multiple lines. If more description, yes, explain. Yes, see, this is only single line description here. Suppose if multiple lines descriptions, you can write like this. Multiple lines. This is multiple lines. So multiple lines. This is writing comments. This is writing comments. Okay. So this is single line commenting. This is multiple lines commenting. This is single line commenting. This is multiple lines commenting. Okay. Yes. Just writing comments. Next, one more thing here. Yes, comments. Comments are not part of compiler. Yes, comments are not part of compiler. 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 Okay, comments are not part of compiler. Okay, these comments, yes, these are ignored. These are ignored. These are ignored at compile time. At compile time. At compile time. Okay, these are ignored at compile time. Okay, yes, compile skipping all the comments. So these are ignored. These are ignored at compile time. Okay, see at compile time, compiler ignoring all the comments, ignoring all the comments. Compiler ignore all the comments here. Okay, yes, compiler ignoring all the comments, all these comments. Okay, compiler ignoring your English. That English we are writing, right? Description in your program. Okay, yes. No. That is not C language. That comment is not in C language. That comment in HTML. Yes, Aditya Prakash. That comment in HTML, not in C language. Okay, not here. Okay, C language comment is like this. Okay, yeah, that won't take in C language. So what are you mentioned that is that comment won't take in C language. Okay, yes, C language comment is like this. This is single line commenting here. This is multiple lines commenting. Okay, see, comments are not part of compiler, so these are ignored. These are ignored at compile time. Okay, they're ignored. Yes, these are ignored at compile time. They are ignored at compile time. Okay, yes, these are ignored at compile time and generating one exe file. Compiler generates exe file. Okay, so comments will not compile. Comments will not compile. So compile ignoring all the skipping all the comments. Okay, so compiler, yes, compiler, see compiler, yes, compiler skips all the comments, skips all the comments. Compiler skips all the comments. Just skipping all the comments, generating exe file. Compiler skipping all the comments and generating exe file. Okay, compiler skips all the comments and generates exe file for execution. Exe file for execution. Exe file for execution. That's it. Okay, compiler skips all the comments and generates exe file execution. Okay, yes, these are only from the source program, only from your program. Okay, these are only for the source, not from actual file here. Okay, so comments are skipping at compile time. Yes, comments. Compiler skips. See this. Compiler skips. Compiler skips all the comments, and generates exe file for execution here. Okay. Yes, comments. Yes, comments. Comments are only. Yes, comments are only part of. Yes, comments are only part of your source program file. Only comments are part of only source code. Only source code means your C program. Comments are yes. See comments. Yes, comments are part of only source code. Source code means yes. Let me show some example here. Suppose C program. Suppose some C program here. See, this is C program. See, these called as source codes. This code is called as source code. It's a source code. This code is source code. Okay, this code is source code. Okay, right? Yes, in this source code, suppose for example here, yes, here writing some comment here. Let's say comment /star. Okay, yes, here, yes, below is the declaration. Below is the declaration. Below is the declaration of variables. Below is the declaration of variables. Yes, variables. Like this comment here. That's English. writing that English. Okay, so below is the variable declaration. So below is the declaration of variable. Okay, yes, next one here. Yes, next forward slash star. Okay, yes, below statements. Yes, below statement, below statement, below statement, below statement, below statement to read data, to read data from keyboard, to read data from the keyboard like this. So this writing some English here for understanding for writing some English. Okay, so this is not C program. This is not your C program. This is just writing description. Just it's a comments. Just writing a comment is a comment. So why comment here? What's the purpose of this? What is this one here? What is purpose of this statement? Below is a declaration of variables. Okay, correct? Yes. Next, below statement is to read data from the keyboard. Below statement to read data from the keyboard like this. Okay, correct? Yes. Here. Next, another comment. For example, here. Okay. Yes. Yes. Below statement. Yes. Below statement. Yes. Below statement. Yes. Is to come. Below statement is to. Okay. Is to. Yes. Check value of, yes, value of variables, check the values of variables, right? That's it. So they are the comments here. Okay, they are the comments. Okay, suppose for example here, yes, for example, multiple lines, then getting like this, multiple lines, that case you can paste like this. Okay, so see this, suppose English, so big description is there, multiple lines of description, that case you can go for like this. So below statement is to check values of variable here, value of the variables, right? Value of the variables, value of the variables, right? So this is way of writing comments. This is multiple lines commenting, this is single line commenting. So starting here and ending here, see this, starting this is and ending here, this is way of writing comment. This is about comments. Okay, see comments only part of your C program. At compile time, what happens here? Compiler compile this statement and compiles this and compiles this one compiles, this statements will skip. It won't compile. Compiler is skipping this. Compiler is skipping this statement. Compiler will skip this statement. Next compiling this one. Next compiling this one. Next compiling this one. Okay, correct? Next skipping this statement. It will skip this statement. It won't compile it. It won't compile. Next compiling this statement. Next this statement. It will skip the compilation. It will skip the statement here. It won't compile. This won't compile. So comments will not compile. Comments will not compile. So this is skipping here. Next this is skipping here. Next this is skipping. So compiler skips all the comments, generating one exe file. After generation of exe file executes and giving outputs in here. Okay, so compiler skipping all the comments and generating one exe file. After generating exe file executes and giving final output here. That's it. Okay. See, in programming, I'll explain practically. Practically, we'll see what is comparison process. So how to write the comments and all this in programming, I'll explain very clearly. Okay, this is just idea. Just I'm giving idea here. So just idea I'm giving here. Okay. So this is about comments. Okay. 1 second. Let me take some water. Yes, sir. 1 second. Just 1 minute break. I'm taking water. Just 1 minute break. Yes. So this is document part. So what is document part? Just writing comments in program. Writing comments. Okay. Next, include files. So what is include files? Next, include files. So what is include files? Yes, let us say about include files. Include files. What is include files? See here in C language. In C language. Yes, there are, yes, keywords and predefined functions. Keywords and predefined functions. there are keywords and predefined functions. In C language, there are keywords and predefined functions. In C language, there are keywords and predefined functions. Okay. Yes, keywords like int, yes, float, yes, char. Okay. Yes, int, float, char, byte, if, for, while there are some keywords. Like there are totally 32 keywords. So there are some keywords. Okay, there are keywords here. These are the keywords. Some keywords int, float, char, white, yes, if, for, while. There are some keywords. Okay, yes, all these keywords part of compiler. Keywords, all the keywords are part of compiler. All the keywords are part of compiler. Okay, see here, all keywords. Yes, all keywords are part of compiler or part of compiler or part of compiler. Okay, all keywords are part of compiler. Okay, yes, all keywords are part of compiler. So compiler can identify all the keywords. Okay, so compiler, see, compiler can identify. Compiler can identify. So compiler can identify all keywords. Compiler can identify all keywords. All keywords. Yes, compiler can identify all keywords. Yes, no worry about keywords. Okay. Yes, in C language there are some keywords. Keywords and functions. There are some keywords and predefined functions. Keywords and predefined functions. Okay. Yes, keywords like int, float, char, what, they are keywords. So all keywords are part of compiler. Okay. So compiler can identify all keywords, but there are predefined functions. See this, predefined functions. Yes, predefined functions are not from the compiler. Predefined functions are not from the compiler. Predefined functions are not from the predefined functions. Predefined functions are not part of compiler. Okay, predefined functions are not part of compiler. Okay, so these are, yes, these are from C library. These are from C library. Okay, C library. Yes, what is library? We'll discuss now. Okay, so these are from C library. C library. So what is C library? What is C library? Okay, C library. C library, yes, is a collection of header files. C library, it's a collection. It's a collection of header files. It's a collection of header files. Okay, all header files. There are some header files in C library. Okay, C library. Okay, yeah, same. Wide, same. Java wide using C language wide also same. Okay, wide Java C language both are same. That wide. Yes, C library, even int keyword are same. Java int and C language int. Float. Yes, Java almost many keywords taken from the C language. Java many keywords taken from C language. Java's int keyword is there, float keyword is there, char keyword is there, if is there, for is there, while, yes, all these keywords are in Java. Java, these keywords are available. Okay, almost all C language keywords available in Java. Okay, almost all C language keywords are there in Java. Okay, see, predefined functions are not part of compiler. Okay, these are from the C library. They are from the C library. So what is C library? C library is a collection of header file. See, what is header file? Let us see now. See here, for example, printf is a predefined function. For example, printf is a predefined function. Suppose scanf is a predefined function. Okay, see in this program here, see here some printf function using, right? See here int keyword using. Here this int keyword is there. That int keyword is a part of compiler. Int keyword is a part of compiler. Int keyword is a part of compiler. No worry about it. So compiler can identify these int keywords. Okay, int keywords. Okay. Next CLR or CR, it's a predefined function. Printf is a predefined function. Scanf is a predefined functions. They're the predefined functions. These are not part of compiler. Functions are not part of compiler. So these are from the C library. C library contains all the header files. Yes, printf is a function from stdio data header file. So for that reason included stdio data header file. CLRCR is a function from conv data header file. Okay, so these are the predefined functions. They are predefined functions. Okay, So predefined functions, they are the predefined functions from C library. So when you want to use any predefined function, for example here, suppose using printf and scanf function, when you want to use predefined function like printf scanf function, that related header files you have to include. See, printf and scanf both are from the std IO.sh header file. That's the reason this file included. That's the reason this file is included. Next CLR or CR. Next here they say get ch at the end. Get ch function, get ch function, get ch function, get ch function, and CLR CR. These are the functions from conjugate data set. That's the reason included this is. Okay. So this is okay. Just 1 second. This is Notepad. In Notepad we can't run the C program. In Notepad we can't run the C program. Okay. In Notepad we can't run the C program. Just for the separate ID is there. If for the separate ID is there. ID. Okay. Separate ID is this ID. C programming ID. C programming ID. So this is some ID. This is some C program. Okay. Yes, compile. Yes, run it. Okay. Enter number. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse equal to 4, 3, 2, 1. Not a palindrome. Okay. Run it. Suppose 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. Yes, reverse equal to 1, 2, 2. It's a palindrome like this. This is some C program. Okay. This is some C program. That is some C program. Okay. Yes, you don't worry. Why are you asking? Yes, wait. Yes, step by step. Like, let me explain. Yes, I'll write one program. I'll explain step by step. We should discuss. Okay. Step by step we'll discuss. Okay. Yes, we'll write one program. Step by step we'll discuss. Wait. Okay. This is Notepad. In Notepad, how can we compile C program? We can't compile. Okay. This is already developed program I have opened. Already developed program. Just to open here. Okay. Yes. Yes, try to finish step by step. After finishing step by step, I'll write one sample program. Okay, after finishing all this step by step explanation, after finishing all this explanation here, yes, I'll write one sample program. I'll show it. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. See here, document parts, document parts, document parts. It's nothing but writing comments. Include files. Include files. Yes, include files. Our topic is include files. So what is include files? Include files. Include files. See, in C language, there are keywords and predefined functions. Keywords and predefined functions. Keywords, all keywords are part of compiler. Compiler can infer the keywords. Okay. So you can no worry about keywords. But there are predefined functions like printf and scanf. These are all the predefined functions from the C library. These are from the C library. C library is a collection of header files. C library is a collection of header files. Printf and scanf function is a file. Yes, is a functions. Printf and scanf are the functions. Printf and scanf functions are from the here. Yes, std IO.sh header file. Std IO.sh header file. Okay. So when you want to use printf and scanf function, when you want to use printf and scanf function here, yes, you must include the header file here, hash. Yes. Yes, hash. Yes, hash include std IO.sh header file. That header file should be included. 1 second. I'm explaining which. So hash include these statements. Hash includes. Okay. So printf and scanf function. These two functions are from this header file. So this header file std IO.sh header file. So we should include. This is way of including std IO.sh header file. So this is including header file. This is way of including header file. Okay. Yes, here. Yes, we'll see all the points here. After finally we'll make it one program. Okay, finally we'll make it one program. Okay. Yes. So hash include std IO.sh header file. So here. So when using printf function scanf, printf and scanf, printf and scanf, printf and scanf, these are the predefined functions. These are the predefined functions from this header file. So we have to include this header file to our program. Correct. Next, one more example here. One more example. Yes, suppose CLR SCR is a function, predefined function. Yes, get ch. Yes, is a predefined function. These two predefined functions, these are already defined. These are from the conio data set refer. So we should include that. Yes, hash include. Yes, conio. Yes, console input output refer. Conio. Yes, stdio means standard input output. So this is standard input output here. This is console input output. Console input output. Okay. Suppose if any mathematical functions here, that case, yes, hash include math data set of it, math data like sine function, cos function, tan function, absolute function, square root function. Yes, like this, there are some mathematical functions here. That case, we should go for this set of it. Okay, so here stdio data header file is a header file. Stdio data. This header file contains all input output related functions. Okay. Next, math data header file, for example, this contains all mathematical related functions. Okay. Next, one more example here. Hash includes yes string data. Hash includes string data. Yes, string data. This string data header file contains string related functions here. So what is header file? So what is question is here? What is header file? Okay. So what is header file? So what is header file? What is header file? Okay. Yes. What is header file? See header file. Header file. Yes, is a collection. Header file is a collection of. Header file is a collection of related functions. Related functions. Header file is a collection of related functions. Related functions. Suppose stdio data means this contains all input output related functions. Suppose math data header file, mathematical operations related functions, string data, string operations functions here like this. Okay. Yes, all are related functions. Okay. See here. Here C language. C language is a functional oriented language. Everything is function. C language. Everything is function. Everything is function. See here in this program here. In this program, see main is a function. Main starting ending. It's a main function. Yes, subprogram is a one more function. There are functions here. Writing some functions. C program is a collection of functions. Everything is functions here. Everything is function. Everything is function. Everything is function. So stdio data set refer kind of some functions here. This also kind of functions here. This also kind of some functions. Okay. Suppose for example here. Suppose this program. In this program here. In this program. Yes. Here. What's the purpose of including this header file? Why included this header file? What's the purpose of what's the purpose of including this? This way of including header file. Hash includes. Hash includes. This is to include header file. This is to include header file. So what's the purpose of including stdio data header file? Okay, here purpose. Reason is here is for the purpose of using predefined functions like printf and scanf. See, int key, this is int keyword, right? Wide keywords, int keywords, wide main, wide and int. So wide int, these are the part of compiler. So this can be used directly. Wide can be used directly. Int can be used like directly here. But CLR here is not a part of compiler. You can't use directly here. So when you want to use CLR here, yes, for this header file, this one you have to include. Otherwise, compiler cannot understand this. Compiler cannot understand. Okay, CLR here is a function from conio data header file. So you have to include it. Okay. Next, printf. Printf is a function from stdio data header file. That's the reason included. See, in case of int keyword, directly can use. Int keyword can be used directly. Int keyword can be used directly because it's a part of compiler. But printf is not a part of compiler. Yes, printf is a function from stdio data header file. That's the reason included. Next, scanf. Scanf is a function. Scanf is a function from stdio data header file. See, in this program here, printf and scanf. These two functions are from stdio data header file. That's the reason included. That's the reason stdio data header file included. Yes, next CLR, SCR, next getch function and CLR SCR. These two functions are from the conio data header file. That's the reason included. Now I think you understand this. That hash includes. Okay. Yes, this is hash includes. Right. Okay. So about include statements here. Okay. Yes. So hash includes like this. So this is about includes. Okay. Yes. Including parts, include files. Define parts, include files. See document parts, include files. Okay. Yes, yes, main function, yes, not yet completed, right? Yes, still we are at this part. Document part is over, include part is over. Next, we should come to define part. Next, global declaration. After that, we should go to main function. Yes, I'm coming step by step. I'm coming. Okay. Now we are at yes, second point. We are at second point. Now third point. Define part. So what is define part? What is define part here? Define part. Okay, define part. Yes, define part. Yes, this is to define the constants here. Define parts. Okay, define part. Yes, define part. Yes, this is to define part. Yes, this is to define Yes, this is to define. Yes, this is to define constants. Constants. This to define constants. Constants. This is to define constants here. Yeah, this is to define. This is to define constant. Constant means its value cannot be changed. Constant means its value cannot be changed. Its value cannot be changed here. Suppose here hash defining constant. Suppose hash define n, then n value 10. N value 10. Okay, like this defining constant. Yes, n value is a fixed one. N is a fixed one. So n is a fixed one. This hash define n 20. Okay, like this one more example here. Hash, yes, hash define here size maybe 1025 like this. Okay, so you get the defining constants here. See, constant name of the constant must be in uppercase. See, n is in uppercase, size in uppercase. Okay, n is in uppercase, size in uppercase. Okay, so name of the constant must be in uppercase. Name of the constant must be uppercase. Okay, name of the constant must be in uppercase. Okay, yes. So has different n20, has different size 1024. Okay, yes. So this is defining constant. Constant, its value cannot be changed. Constant means its value cannot be changed. Constant means its value cannot be changed. See what happens here. After defining here, writing some main function, void main. Yes, void main is a function. Yes. So what is main here? What is main? Yes, it's a starting point of execution. See here, C program compilations from top to bottom. C program compilations from top to bottom. C program compiles from top to bottom compilation. But execution starts from main function. Execution starts from main function. Yes, main is a starting point of execution. Main is a main is a function. Main is a function. Main is a function. Yes, void is a return type. Yes, about return type later I'll explain. Yes, here 1 second. A little bit I'll explain. Yes, suppose return of 10 is there. Then this is int keyword, writing int keywords. Return of 10. So returning integer value. 10 is the integer value. So for this int keywords. Suppose no return value, starting ending. That case it's a void. Void means no return value. Void means no return value. Yes, about return value. Next we'll discuss. In functions I'll explain. We have separate topic in functions. That time I'll explain about return value. Return value later we'll discuss. Return value later we'll see. Seek a void. Void means no return value. Main is a function. Okay, right? Yes. Next here, suppose int a equal to some 10 declared. Int a. So int a. So it says some variable a. Yes, about variables we'll discuss next. Yes, I'll explain clearly. So what is variable? How to declare variables? How these data types and all this we'll discuss next class. This next class topic. Okay. Yes, next. Suppose yes, int b declared here. Suppose b equal to here. B equal to yes, a plus n. Yes, a plus n. Okay, right? Yes, printf. Suppose yes, personality. Yes, printf. Yes, personality, comma b, displaying that b value. Okay, suppose writing some statements like this, some program is like this. What happens here? First the compiling program. Yes, before going to compilation here, what happens here? First preprocessor will be working. Preprocessor before compiling this program here. First preprocessor. Okay, preprocessor. Yes, 1 second. Here I'm using terminology compiler and preprocessor. These all the topics practically also. Just I'm giving overview. You guys don't worry. So this is not a right time to discuss more about preprocessor and compilers. Okay, preprocessor and compiler. So next coming topics we'll discuss. Wait, time is there for that. Just I'm giving little bit idea. Just only overview. Yes, some idea I'm giving here. Actual topic we'll discuss. Actual topic we'll discuss. Okay. Now here, see here has defined N20 here has defined size 1024. Okay. Now int a equal 10 declared. So a is a variable. A is a variable. Its value is 10. Its value is 10. Okay. Its value is 10 here. Next variable a. A. That a value can be changed anytime. It's a variable. A is a variable. Its value can be changed anytime. Yes, variables about variables we'll discuss next. Wait, variables about variables we'll discuss next. Wait, see, first the compiling program. Before going to compilation here, there is a preprocessor. Now preprocessor is looking for hash defined statements, hash defined n. So wherever n is there, the 10 will place. In program, yes, here n is there, 10 will place. Statement becomes like this: a plus 10, a plus 10. Now finally, what's the b value here? Yes, a value 10 is there here. Yes, now this is 10 is there. So b equal 10 plus 10 is becomes 20 here. Okay. See what happens here. N. So uppercase n, right? So n has different n. So wherever that n is there. So preprocessor looking for 10. So looking for n. So looking for n. So wherever n presented. So wherever n presented here, then 10 will be dumping here. 10 dumping. After dumping, next compilation starts. Compiling program. Okay. After dumping, yes, in place of n, just a 10 dumping. 10 dumping, right? 10 dumping. Okay. Yes, in place of n here, that value 10 dumping here, right? So that statement becomes like a plus 10. A plus 10, right? A plus 10. Now compilation. At compile time, this is a void main. Now int a. Yes, variable a equal 10. Variable b. Now b equal to here. Now for compiler, the statement looks like a plus 10. Okay. See, for us looks like a plus n. For us is a plus n. For us looks like a plus n. For us looks like a plus n. But compiler, this one looks like a plus 10. Looks like a plus 10. So for compiler looks like a plus 10. Compiling. After compilation, runtime. At runtime, what happens here? At runtime, a value becomes 10 here. Next, b equal to a plus 10. So at runtime, picking value of a from this location here, 10 plus 10, 20. That 20 action to be so displaying b value. Suppose here, suppose next a equal to 15. I'll try to change it. Yes, next n equal to some 20. What happens here? Yes, a is a variable. Its value is 10. Now a equal to 15. Yes, it can be changed. Yes, a value can be changed to 15. No problem, no issue here. It's a variable. A is a variable. A is a variable. Its value can be changed to 15. Yes, next when come to n is a constant. See n 10, right? It's a constant. N is a constant. N is a constant. What happens here? Before comparison, in place of n, the 10 will be assigned. Placing correct. Now statement because for 10 equal 20. How it's possible? Suppose left side variable is there here. The data 15 storing into variable a, but it's not a variable. Direct dump 10 equal 20. 10 equal 20 here. Okay, see here. I'm trying to change n value. N value. See here. A plus. This is your program, right? This is your program. This is program. So before going to compile the program, so here first preprocessor taking 10 n value 10 and placing here. So dumping here. Yes, next here dumping. After dumping, compiling starts. At compile time here, void main compiling this is int a. Compilation of this. No compilation. Yes, here at compile time, yes, this statement looks like a plus 10. This statement yet for compiler, the statement is a plus 10. For compiler, the statement is a plus 10. But for you, it looks like a plus n. See, for us like a plus n. But for compiler, it's a plus 10. Next, a equal 15. It compiles. Next here, in place n equal 20, right? So what happens here? The 10 replacing here. So 10 replacing. Now code becomes like this: a plus 10, b equal to a plus 10 here, 10 equal to 20. How it is possible? 10 if 20 assigned to 10. How? Suppose here some variable A, X is the A, variable is there, 20 assigned A. So B is there, 20 assigned B. Okay. So B is there, suppose B value assigned, yes, 20 assigned B. Okay. Suppose X is there, 20 assigned X. Okay. 20 assigned X. But here, yes, N means 10 is there. So 20 assigned to 10. How? Cannot, it fails, it's not valid. Yes, if we try to change n value here, it's the error message. It's the error message. N equal 20 is error message constant. So it has defined. So this is to define the constants. Okay, has defined. Okay, series. So document part is writing comments, include files for the header files. The define part is to declare the constants for constants. Yes, global variable means global to projects. Later we'll discuss. This is not right time to discuss about global variables. This is not right time. Later we'll discuss. Next, void return type. Main is a function. Okay. So main. So what is main here? Main is a function. It's a starting point of C program. Okay. C program compilations always top to bottom. First compiling this document part, include files, define part, global declarations, compilation from top to bottom. Just void main, local variables, and these statements compilation, subprogram compilation, top to bottom. Okay, top to bottom compiles. All the statements compiles. All the statement compiles. After compilation, you can suppose no errors. If everything is fine, then execution starts. If no errors, then execution starts. Execution starts from main function. So main is a starting point of execution. Main is a starting point of C program execution. That's it. So this is just to idea about this C program. Structure is like this is a structure of C program. Okay, right? Yes. Next about variable declaration we'll discuss. Variable declaration. So that local variable declaration. See variable declaration. Variable declaration syntax. Variable declaration syntax is like this. Yes, syntax like data type and variable name. This is syntax. Data type and variable. So what is data type? What is variable? Yes, we should discuss about data types. So next class we'll discuss about data types. So next class starting about data types. So once the data type started, C program starts. So next class we are going to write one C program. Yes, writing C program, compilation, all these steps we'll discuss one by one. Okay, right? Yeah, that's all for today. Yes, any doubts? Yes, tomorrow don't have the class. Next class will be on Monday. Only this Saturday cancelling class. Next Saturday I'll take the class. Monday to Saturday were classes. Just only this Saturday cancelling. Okay. Yes, that's all. So thank you guys. See you on Monday. Yes, see you on Monday. Happy weekend.